And here's the quarter panel after Tom's got it tacked in. As you can see, that scribe mark makes a big difference, because as he's got his tack weld on, you can see the nice little razor blade gap. And this is important because if it's tighter than this, the panel, when it gets heated up, will expand and it will either pucker in or out, and you don't want that. If it's too big, then the MIG wire is going in and out, and you'll have wire sticking through the panel. So this is absolutely perfect. You can see how consistent it is all the way down through there. And he'll go ahead and he'll weld that very carefully and very slowly. He'll work like down on one end, and then he'll work down on the other end, yes, and then he'll cool it in between with the air blower. So good job.